24 years, countless failures, thousands of dollars gone, and now I've just bought my last prop firm account. This is it. No turning back. The final journey begins today. For years, I've chased this dream of becoming a consistently profitable trader. I've blown accounts, I've failed challenges, I've doubted myself more times than I can count. One video ago, I hit rock bottom. I promised you a new beginning, a final journey, and promises are worthless without action. Today, I purchased a $5,000 prop firm account with the Fivers. This isn't just another evaluation, this isn't just another attempt. This is my last shot, the one I refuse to give up on. So this is it. No more talk, no more grand declarations. This $5,000 account with the Fivers is the only thing that matters. I've been thinking a lot about failure, and I realized I'm in good company. Whenever I feel like quitting, I remember Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. He didn't call them failures. He said, "I didn't fail. I just found 1,000 ways that won't work." Abraham Lincoln failed in business, had a nervous breakdown, and was defeated in 8 elections before becoming one of the greatest presidents in history. And Michael Jordan was cut from his high school varsity team. He missed more than 9,000 shots in his career. He lost almost 300 games. And he said, "I failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Walt Disney was fired for lacking imagination before building an empire. Colonel Sanders got rejected over 1,000 times before KFC took off. And as the Bible reminds us in Proverbs 24:16, "For though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again." This verse gives me strength. I may have fallen for 24 years in this Forex journey, but today I rise again. 24 years, blown accounts, lost opportunities. That's my 9,000 missed shots. That's my 1,000 failed experiments. That's my string of lost elections. Failure isn't the end, it's training. And every setback I've had in trading has prepared me for this exact moment. This isn't about gambling. This isn't about rushing. This time, I'm approaching trading with discipline, patience, and strict rules. This account is my final chance to prove that 24 years of failure can still end in success. And I want you to follow this journey with me, because if I can rise after all these failures, then so can you. So if you've ever failed, blown an account, or thought your dream was over, don't give up. Stay with me on this journey. And as the Bible reminds us in Isaiah 43:18-19, forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. That is my promise, to forget the former things, to not dwell on the past, to perceive the new thing that is springing up. In my next video, I'll break down my exact plan and rules from my $5,000 prop firm account, the rules I cannot break this time. Hit that subscribe button, because this isn't just my journey, this is our journey. The final chapter starts now.